Most people should not use GoHighLevel in 2026, but for certain people, it is insanely powerful. And that's not because GoHighLevel is bad, but because most people are using it for the wrong reason. If you're just looking for a tool to magically grow your business, GoHighLevel is gonna feel overwhelming and expensive. But if you know exactly what you're using it for, it can replace 5 tools overnight, even more than that, and save you a ton of time and money. I've used GoHighLevel long enough to see who actually wins with it and who, well, quits after 30 days. So in this video, I'm going to give you a no hype breakdown of whether or not GoHighLevel is worth it in 2026, especially if you are a beginner, so I can save you from wasting time and your money. So if you're brand new, GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform built for agencies and service-based business owners. It combines stuff like a CRM, AI, funnels, automations, and all of this into one centralized place. On paper, that sounds amazing. Who doesn't want everything in one spot? And honestly, it can be. But here is what most reviews on YouTube won't tell you. GoHighLevel is not a shortcut. It is a system. And systems only work when you know what outcome you are trying to create with it. And that is why a ton of people struggle with it. If you're constantly hopping from tool to tool, thinking it's gonna magically fix your business, I have news for you. GoHighLevel won't save you. It'll just give you more buttons to click. If you don't know who you help or what problem to solve or what you're selling, GoHighLevel is just gonna make this more confusing, not simpler. And that's why people will say GoHighLevel is too complicated. But actually, GoHighLevel is just honest. Now, where GoHighLevel becomes insanely powerful is when it's used the right way. If you run an agency, any sort of SaaS or a service-based business, this is where HighLevel shines, and this is where it can be your entire back end. So if you're like a plumber, HVAC, lawyer, electrician, any of those service-based trade businesses, HighLevel is going to be your bread and butter. It can actually change your life, as it can do the same as if you're an AI agency, SaaS agency, SMMA. It can literally put everything you have on steroids and just blow it up. It is incredible. And if you're looking for something where you can build a system where it will do the work for you over time and not have you to always be doing everything manually, HighLevel is the spot. Because once you set it up properly and you automate everything and you use AI, you can essentially do that. Where other platforms, you're constantly just putting your time back into it and it just burns you out. Okay, so if you're a beginner, this next part is really, really important, so pay very close attention. Also, if you have any questions at all during this video, drop them in the comments down below and I will answer personally. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to do and set everything up at once. They try to learn funnels, websites, AI, automation, counters. They try to set this all up in one day or try to learn it all in one block, and it's only going to leave you confused. Another mistake beginners make is they have no clear outcome with HighLevel. They don't know why they're trying to use it. GoHighLevel works best when you say stuff like, I want to automate my business. I want to, get missed call text back. I want to have a world-class website. I want to automate things. That is good talk. Bad talk is, well, I kind of want to just explore the platform and see what it does. Because then you don't really know what you're trying to do. You have to have a clear outcome in mind, whether you're trying to be an AI agency, a SaaS agency, a service-based business, whatever you're doing, you have to have something you're trying to solve with HighLevel. From there, it'll make it way easier because you have the narrow problem that's right in front of you, and all you have to do is solve it. And the last big mistake beginners make, and really a ton of people make with HighLevel, is not understanding and learning the fundamentals. Automation won't fix bad messaging. An AI can't fix an unclear offer. GoHighLevel is just going to amplify what you already have, whether that be good or bad. So that's the thing. Once you get something that is good, HighLevel will take that and just 10x it. But if you have something that's really bad, it will also 10x it. So you have to be very, very clear on that. All right, so let's answer the real question and really what you're here for. Is GoHighLevel worth it for beginners and really anyone in 2026? And here is the honest answer. If you're looking for a really easy tool, then probably not. But if you're looking for leverage, scalability, and getting your time back, then definitely. The value isn't just in the features. It's having a system that can replace all other tools and be in one centralized spot. Used correctly, GoHighLevel can replace your CRM, email software, SMS software, booking system, calendar system, automation system, website and funnel system, AI system. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. It can pretty much replace all of your tools. And that's why for a ton of people, they see HighLevel and they're like, it's actually the cheapest software ever, because once you fully understand HighLevel, it is a steal if you set it up right. Like the amount of money I have personally saved and time too that I've saved using HighLevel is unbelievable. That's why when people start to really get into the HighLevel space, they fall in love with it and they become zealots, because I'm telling you, you cannot find a software anywhere else that is like HighLevel. Now, real quick, I want to show you something if you're thinking about signing up, because I think this will help you a lot. And that is that if you're interested in HighLevel, okay, but you're not really sure where to start and you're not sure if it's for you, I talked to the HighLevel team and I've actually secured for you a 30-day free trial, not the 14-day on their website. This is an exclusive 30-day free trial. That way you can come in and you can try this out and see if you like it risk-free. But that's not all. Okay, and I promise I don't have a course to sell you or some coaching program. I want to give you a bunch of free bonuses to help you fully utilize the software. Because when I first got started, I didn't have stuff like this and it left me confused. But once I met the right people inside of the HighLevel space, it helped me learn HighLevel way faster and helped me scale way easier. So when you sign up with this 30-day free trial link down below, not only are you going to get the 30 days, you will also get access to a ton of amazing bonuses completely for free. Check this out. So that is my entire private community that's loaded with winners, so you can network and talk to people and get your questions answered. Tons of extra trainings and pre-built systems like pre-built out websites, pre-built out AI agents, all this stuff you can get started faster. But more importantly, whether you're a beginner or advanced, this is where this becomes amazing. I have over 6 live coaching calls that you can attend for free every single week to get all the hand-holding you need. You can even see you can come on and talk to me on these calls. Again, free, I'm telling you. And the other calls we have too are with real agency owners that are legitimately coaching you guys and helping you, and they're selling GoHighLevel and using it. And you can come right on and talk to them. That's how amazing this is. And again, guys, this is completely free when you sign up with the link right down below. And I'm doing this again because I want to help you actually learn HighLevel. And I'm not like these other gurus where I'm saying, hey, come in and pay me 10 grand and I'll maybe help you win. No. You come in, you try it for 30 days. If you like it, you can stay. If you don't, no hard feelings. But I'm trying to help you as much as you can so you do stay, because HighLevel could change your life. So if I were starting from scratch in 2026, would I use GoHighLevel? The answer would be yes, but only after I figured out on who I was trying to help, what problem I solve, and who I'm going to be selling to. Then I'd build one simple system inside of GoHighLevel, not 10 different ones on 10 different platforms. And that's the difference between gaining momentum and being burnt out. So if you're serious about building an agency, SaaS, or really growing your service-based business, GoHighLevel is absolutely worth it in 2026. So I hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions, I'll drop in the comments down below. I will answer personally. That way we can be fully transparent, but I can also help you out. If you are interested in HighLevel, getting those 30 days and all those bonuses, I have that trial right down below. But more importantly, if you are interested in actually going through and learning HighLevel, I'm going to link a complete beginner's guide to HighLevel that is so simple and so straightforward. It's going to link right at the end of the video to help you. So again, thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.